Good morning, everybody. We are here. It is, well, it's 34 degrees outside and cloudy right now. Not looking too good, but hey, not looking too bad either. Let's see who we got first in the chat today. We've got Dark Bro first in the chat. I'm back, baby. Oh, yes. Dark Bro, what's going on, man? Nick F, J-Bones, Dark Bro. Dark Bro with the super chat, man. Dark Bro starting it off right, man. Dark Bro, you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Oh my gosh, Dark Bro. Thank you very much for the super chat. Woo! Good evening, bros. Richo, man, good evening to you. Oh, was you Dark Bro that was having heating issues? Yes, it was, Rich. Dark Bro, Pika Power, good morning. We got Dark Bro, Rich, Dark Bro, J-Bones, Rich, Dark Bro, Pika. We've got Chris, Rich, Pika, Dark Bro, Chris, Pika, Dark Bro, Pika, Rich, Dark Bro, Rich, Dark Bro, Rich, Dark Bro, Rozzy, man, what's going on, Rozzy, Rich, Dark Bro, Rich. You guys are having a good old conversation. Rich, Dark Bro, Pika Power. Thank you very much for the super chat. Pika Power says, for roulette wheel, for plowing me out. I have a feeling it was you, and you know we know what roulette wheel likes. Woo-hoo, yeah, with the leg kick. Thank you very much, Pika. Is roulette wheel even in here? I didn't even see roulette wheel's name, man. We got to see if roulette wheel's in here or not, because he is getting a big old thank you from Pika Power. Dark Bro, Rich. We've got Dark Bro, Rozzy, Dark Bro, Pika, Peter, Keith, Rozzy, Pika, Rozzy. My gosh, so many names. Peter, Pika, not Peter, Pika, Rozzy, Peter, Slayer, Peter, Rozzy, Dark Bro, Pika, franchise, and old rounder. Oh my goodness, glad to have all you guys in here. Let's see what the crypto and stock markets are doing this morning. I don't know if he's here. I think it's just I think he just listens sometimes. Well, roulette wheel, if you were in here right now, Pika says thank you very much for plowing her out. She knows that it was you, man. Yes, and you got the leg kick too, man. Request the leg kick later. I got you. AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen going down. AMC sitting at $3.82 right now. Shiba Inu coin $8.38. GameStop $15.97. Bitcoin $16,828. The NASDAQ actually doing very well today, sitting at 10,495.18, up 1.84%. GameStop, $15.96. Bureau Therapeutics, $2.14. It is up 10%, ladies and gentlemen. AMC, $3.82. Ethereum, $12.65. Shiba, $8.38. Dogecoin, $7.1. We've got Bitcoin sitting at $16,827. Sundial, $2.15. Mullen Auto, 43 cents. Mullen Auto doing very well, man. Touching 47 cents earlier. Already back down about 10% from that, though. CEI sitting at $1.81. The SPY, $3.86. BBIG, 50 cents. Highcraft Mining, 58 cents flat. Netflix sitting at $3.10. Terra Luna Classic, 15.1. The QQQ, 266. And Ape sitting at $1.38.5. Bar coding. That must mean there's not very much volume going on there. And Ape barcoding the way that it is right now. Man, Terra Luna Classic, dead break even on that tick right there. We'll watch Bitcoin down at the bottom left to see what goes on there. Arrives fashionably late, no doubt. Peter, heck yeah, man. Hey, hope everyone is having a good day. Slayer JC, hope you're having a great day as well. Clay's late like usual. No, I'm not late, man. I'm just on time because the show starts when I get here. Dirk, now that your heat is working, it warms up. Love how that works. Well, we can single-handedly thank Dark Bro for bringing an early spring. Forget Puxatani Phil, man. I'm looking to Dark Bro to bring that early spring this year. Dude fixes his heater, throws out his furnace, throws all that money into it, and all of a sudden, we've got a beautiful springtime. Yes, we do. I don't know if he's here. Just listen sometimes. Gotcha. Bonk got bonked today. Franchise bonk getting bonked hard, man, right in the head. Bonk was down like 40 to 50% earlier. when I looked at it. Let's see what it's doing right now. I haven't looked at it in a couple hours. All right. Well, it's not like down from where it was for sure, but no, not the one I wanted to click on. This one, getting bonked today, down to 1,500, a 50% loss from where we were looking at it yesterday. It's what, 5 zeros and a 3, sitting at 5 zeros and a 15. Well, 5 zeros and a 1.5, we should say, if we're gonna say 3. So, yes, man, getting hit very hard. The market cap going from 165 million yesterday to 88 million today. Bonked, getting boinked, man. Oh, my goodness. And look, it's only been out a week. Hey, if bonk comes all the way back down, hey, maybe you guys want to get in. I don't know if you want to get in or not if it comes all the way back down. 30x gain is insane. So, hey, I don't know. It could just be a little meme rally. It could be something that people are taking profits on right now, and then it ends up going up. So, we shall have to see what ends up happening with bonk. But I will tell you this. 225,000 tweets this morning mentioning bonk. That is a lot of tweets to mention bonk. That is a lot of tweets. You're a minute late, Click. Explain yourself, Rousey. I was trying to come up with an excuse. I don't have any excuses, man. Just by the time I got up in the chair, I guess by the time I clicked the live stream, by the time I clicked go, must have been a minute late. Dark, now that, saw that. Yes, saw that. Oh my gosh, where's it at? Bro, what's going on with Voyager? You know what, Rozzy, the last thing I've seen on Voyager, so Binance US, supposed to be buying Voyager for $1 billion, $1,022 million, right? Well, they're getting a little backlash from the SEC. I don't know why the SEC has a problem with retail investors getting their money back, but I don't think that the SEC wants the retail investors to get their money back. So they're causing a little bit of a hang-up for Binance to go ahead and complete this purchase. I don't know if it's going to cause any problems or not, but the dates on those, supposedly Binance has got until April 18th to close the deal with a possible 1-month extension. Peak is so true, right? Yes, it is. But Dark Bro, thank you very much for an early spring. Bonk got boinked. Oh, yes, JB. Patrick! J-Bones is first. Well, I thought that Dark Bro was first. Who was first, man? I was showing Dark Bro is first. Patrick's saying J-Bones is first, man. I think Pat might be looking at a different chat. I'm showing Dark Bro. But either way, J-Bones and Dark Bro, man. Thank you very much, Pat. Oh, yeah. For the authorized hydration, that water tastes so delicious. Oh, yes. What's up, bro? Your thoughts on CoffeeZilla versus Logan Paul? It's a crypto zoo scam. Yeah, Raul, I actually got some on that. How come my name is green, bro? Raul Valadez Reyes. You probably won that green name from Kenneth. Kenneth has been giving out a lot of green names lately. I don't know if Kenneth is currently in here right now, but if Kenneth does show up, I would imagine that you won that green name from Kenneth giving it away. So throw a thank you out there to Kenneth if he does show up in the chat. Nonetheless, so I did watch CoffeeZilla's video on Logan Paul and the Crypto Zoo and all of that stuff. So thoughts on, if I'm just giving you thoughts on the video, I think CoffeeZilla does an excellent job, right? I think CoffeeZilla does an excellent job of presenting the story, making it almost like an episode of something that you would watch on TV, and does a very good job of keeping it intriguing, keeping your attention, and all of that stuff. Now, it does look like Logan Paul, Crypto King, and I don't know why it always looks this way, okay? It always looks like these dudes that are involved in cryptocurrency have one goal in mind, and that is to screw you and screw me. I do not know if that is the intentions of everybody with crypto, but that is certainly what it seems like. Guys that start these projects have terrible intentions from the onset. The way that they're portrayed. Sam Bankman-Fried, he's the bad guy. Do Kwon, he's the bad guy. Logan Paul, he's the bad guy. But I will say this as well, okay? They may actually very well be bad guys. It is very difficult to rise to the top of any situation if you are not willing to step on a few people to get there. I don't necessarily want to take that approach in anything because I truly do believe that you can get there over time by building everybody else up as well. But a lot of these guys, they get there very quickly, and a lot of these guys have one-track minds. Be as successful as possible. Whether that means you're actually generating a project, whether that means you're actually creating something of value, and whether or not those that are pouring their money into it actually gain as well. It is all about them gaining. And I think that Logan Paul does have sort of a personality like that, and you know, he's been through a lot, yes, absolutely. So I don't know his intentions, and that's something that I don't know if any of us will ever know, is somebody else's true intentions. I mean, you have to be a very honest person to share your intentions, and you have to be a very, open person to be willing to share your intentions, especially if your intentions are bad, you know, to harm all the investors that you screwed over and things like that. So I don't know Logan Paul's intentions, man, but what I do know is that there was a crypto project out there that didn't deliver what the project was supposed to deliver. There's a bunch of people who threw money into it that was cashed out by other people who have yet to see any value returned, no project whatsoever, and so on. I believe, okay, that Logan Paul did not cash out his tokens, did not cash anything out of that project, and that may or may not have been, you know, revealing of his intentions. I do not know, right? If he's willing to go down with the ship, hey, that's actually got my respect, man. That's actually got my respect. Maybe he did, you know, start off with good intentions, kind of get screwed over, and so on. And it just looks bad for him because he was kind of in charge. I'd rather see a dude willing to go down with his ship and then swim to shore and get a new ship and you know, try to survive that way than kind of what some of these other guys did in this situation and jump ship, sell their tokens, make a quick mill, and move on to the next thing. So it did leave me a little bit confused, man. It did leave me a little bit confused. I don't know if Logan Paul necessarily handled the situation the right way by coming out and saying he's going to sue CoffeeZilla and all of that stuff. I mean, dude, CoffeeZilla is kind of allowed to make his own opinions of Logan Paul that he wants. Logan Paul could have easily talked to CoffeeZilla about it and all of that. Logan Paul is not like an idiot. He does a very good podcast, and he's able to portray his thoughts very well. So he could have easily had some sort of a dialogue with CoffeeZilla that would have potentially made himself look better, unless of course his intentions were bad. That it does leave you just a little bit more confused than when you started, I guess, is my whole thing on it. Good, bad, I'm unable to draw a definite conclusion right now, but you can learn from it. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Pet says, sorry, Dark Bro, my chat must not be up to date as I came in late. Here you go, Dark Bro. You got a hot dog, you dip it, man, and you shove it. Oh, yes, you take that banana, you lick it, and you stick it. And then you get a little, ooh, look at that clean peach. Oh, yes, Dark Bro got all three. He got the banana, he got the hot dog, he got the peach. And a little bit of authorized hydration to wash it down. Oh, yes. So good, man, so good. Pat, thank you very much for the super chat. All good, bad bro. I'm thirsty. Good, man. Me too. Logan Paul is a clown, is a super clown. Hey, look, I admire Logan Paul's work ethic and Jake Paul's work ethic. I truly do. Whether you guys think they're good guys or bad guys, those dudes are out there, man. Those dudes are out there working and hustling and trying to make a go of it. And they're putting themselves out there all day long. I do disagree a lot with what some of those guys say, right? And I don't think that anybody would have a problem. People don't agree on everything. I do disagree with some of the stuff that they do. But dude, those kids are absolutely, dude, they're working, right? They're definitely working. Trust no one. And you know what? You really should trust no one. I like the way that J-Bone says that. Don't even trust me, guys. Don't even trust me, okay? Be skeptical of the things that I say. I don't blindly trust anybody. I wouldn't want anybody to blindly trust me. And I just think that that's the best way to go. If you're able to hear something that I say, hear something that somebody else says, and it makes sense to you, and you like that train of thought, you put it to the test, and then you confirm it, awesome. But if I say, man, ooh, the sky here in Ohio is purple today, unless it's a beautiful sunset, the sky is probably not purple. Don't believe that the sky here in Ohio is purple. I mean, it can be purple during a sunset, though. Curious why they aren't stripping SBF of his Robinhood shares. Tony, so they may do that if, if... Here's why they would not be doing that, okay? So any of the cons and scams that took place not by SBF, but by FTX. SBF is not FTX. That is why it is a corporation. It is its own legal entity at that point, and you create corporations so that you are not held personally responsible for what the corporation does. You have two separate legal entities. You can sue the corporation, but you can't sue the guy that runs or owns the corporation at that point. SBF, he owns those shares of Robinhood. They did not belong to FTX. FTX essentially screwed everybody at the will and the whim of SBF, right? But nonetheless, it was FTX and just a legal entity that screwed everybody over. Therefore, the recourse is only subject to what FTX is in control of and what FTX has. SBF, or Sam, is a completely separate entity. Like, if I screwed you guys over, you wouldn't be able to go after Dark Bro, right? You would have to go after me. If Dark Bro screwed you over, him and I are completely separate. You'd have to go after him in that sort of a situation. So the same way that SBF is separate from FTX, it kind of keeps his shares and his wealth and his worth out of the hands of those that are going after FTX. Give us the future of USTC. Man, I wish I could, Mike. I wish I could tell the future on everything. Clipper, any news on Shibarium? Since you know, soon kind of came and went. So, Dark Bro, Shibarium did get some tweets yesterday from the official Shibarium account, but they have basically said, man, that they do not have a date. No, there's no date. So if you're looking for those, don't expect it. Interesting part is, they're kind of saying that even you shouldn't even look to unification for like code. You shouldn't even look to unification for updates. You should look solely to the Shiba Inu Coin Twitter account and solely to the Shibarium Network Twitter account for any updates as to what's going on. So, no, dude, they really didn't give you any updates with that. They just continue to say soon, and they continue to say don't trust anybody but us. Logan, bad ideas with the team that couldn't deliver and took advantage of him, but he kept quiet for a long time, and investors are left hanging out to dry. No one wins. Yeah, Pika, I did see. So, did you guys watch the follow-up video, too, by Logan Paul? Kind of throwing CoffeeZilla under a bus then and blaming everybody but himself and all of that. Remember, Logan Paul's in the entertainment industry, as we all are, Rousey, as we all are. Nobody can give any financial advice whatsoever, and nobody can be good people. It's all just entertainment purposes. I try to be a good person, right? I do try to be a good person. Hello, everybody. Mellow Yellow, what's going on, man? I grew up with Logan Paul's sidekick, Mike. Did you really? J-Bones. Is that good or bad, man? I don't really know all of his sidekicks there, man. Not a huge fan of Mike or Logan Paul. I trust everyone to some extent, but I always trust myself the most. Trust is a hard thing to earn and an easy thing to lose. That it is, Emma D. That it is. Emma, can you see Pika Power's name, or is your name still messing up right now? Clay Shady Bro. Yeah, that's what it is, Rozzy. We got the Shady Bro on top right now. Yep, Clay and I are going to rug pull everybody. does he got to bring me into this, man? Dark Bro might be I might be rug pulling everybody. Dark Bro might be rug pulling everybody. Everybody's gonna rug pull everybody. When is Adam? Dude, could you imagine just instead of one of those memes with Spider-Man like pointing at you, it's like Tom and Jerry just ripping rugs out from under each other and everybody's just falling. Bro, these people are driving me up the walls with this crap. Heck yeah, man. When is Adam Aaron retiring? Hillionaire. Hopefully yesterday. I really don't know. Did Adam Aaron say anything about retiring? I highly doubt that he ever retires, man. He is like a king. People view Adam Aaron as a literal king. I highly doubt that he will ever retire. It's not how you run a business at all. And no, it is not. I saw it. Yeah, me too, Pika. Hey, I made it. Good morning, 775. What's going on? Hey, the corporate veil can potentially be pierced in SBF's case due to personal assets being tied to the corporate entity. At least that is part of what I remember learning, not legal advice. Well, yeah, so it does depend on how well he separated those assets as well. So you are right on that, Pat. If you're running a corporation, but you're basically using the corporation as your own personal bank account, and you are commingling assets the way that they were commingling customer assets and all of these things that they shouldn't have been doing in the first place, then it's like you're not running a corporation, right? That corporate veil can be pierced at that time. So it does all depend on how separate the finances and how separate everything was kept. That part I do not know. So I don't know what that would look like or what that would lead to. But yeah, Pat is right on that one, guys. How do we know if Coinbase something aren't all doing the same thing, Claire Rose? Anything real? Which pill? A blue or red? Gorilla Invictus, I'm going to say this, dude. No. Nothing is actually real, okay? Especially when it comes to the finances of this world. It is truly a number. You go to the bank and you try to get that money out, you can go get it out. If we all go to the bank and try to get that money out, the system breaks and we can't do it. So, dude, even your bank account is technically not real. It is technically just a number on a screen. We don't know, right? If Coinbase and Binance and KuCoin and Kraken and FTX, we don't know if they were all sharing the same number. We don't technically know if Bitcoin is separate than Litecoin. I mean, if you just got a fork where you fork the code over and just say, just hash this network instead, mine on this network instead, does that really create a separate coin? Does it really create a separate worth in the billions of dollar range? Like, there's a lot, man, to be said about what is and is not real. There's a lot to be said about this internet money. There's a lot to be said about the actual value of a US dollar because it is basically all but digital at this point. So no, Gorilla Invictus, I think you're right, man. I think it's all just in our heads, dude. We trust the numbers on the screen and we move forward trusting those numbers and building based on those numbers. Not legal advice, just an old pre-law student trying to clear some old cobwebs. There you go, Pat. Pika Pika. Pika is Pika. Tim Hogan, it became I'm Hogan for a minute. Weird. The first letter of the name is disappearing. YouTube just hates me, I guess. Ma-D. Ma-D. Yeah, no, I can still see Emma D. Used to watch all the Team 10 videos. Everyone associated with the Paul brothers have bad stories about them. Sure, they could be cloud chasers, but when there's smoke, there's usually a fire. Pika, yeah. You know, you are right. I don't even know. Like, you guys can judge me if you want, right? But I've watched. I feel very confident saying this. I've watched more YouTube than you have watched. And I don't even know how much YouTube you've watched, right? But I've watched more YouTube than you have watched. I feel very confident saying that. I truly do. I would put my numbers up against your numbers. And I haven't watched Logan or Jake Paul in a very long time. But I watched basically all of Jake Paul's videos. So I know that those kids, man, they put on a story. They put on a show. Just the same as all of those other prankster, vlogger, YouTubers do. And probably what everybody is doing on YouTube, right? Putting on a show. But it's so hard, right? Somebody on the outside looking in like me, I don't know if it's necessarily fair for me to make some sort of a judgment, and because I don't know these guys' intentions. When you start to see the type of money that they see coming in, every video they post is making 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, $100,000. You got to do it, man. You got to do it. You got to do it. You got to do it. You got to keep doing it. And then, I don't know. Then you start to justify things that shouldn't be justified, I guess. Hey, bro, what about doing some stock trades for a 2024 Times Square New Year's Eve bash? Do the trades live. I could put it in some fun. I could put in some funding for it. Maybe we could do a vote on here. So 775. What do you mean, man? Like a 2024 New Year's Eve bash? So make the trades now and then allow those trades at the end of 2024, the beginning or end of 2023 to to fund some sort of New Year's Eve bash there? Is that what you're talking about? Expand on that a little bit so I know what you're saying. Oh gosh, Clay, bro, did you watch my video on Terra Luna? No, she was SBS first business part and left Alameda. I did not, Emma D. I did not. No, the last video I saw, and I did not watch the entirety of it, but the last video I saw that you made was about Caroline and whatever that other guy's name was from FTX. Ika Power is my doppelganger. Ika and Pika. Patrick! Thank you very much for the super chat. Dang it, Clay. I should have taken the blue pill. Darn it, man. Thank you very much, Patrick, for the authorized hydration and the little laugh there. I like it. Oh, yeah. Dude, there's just something about water coming from Pat. I don't know what it is, but it's good. I'm working. We still managed to find time to smash the like button. You can too. Just do it. Guys, please smash the like button. Views drastically down. Likes drastically down. Watch time drastically down. It's almost like people forgot that YouTube exists. Don't forget that YouTube exists, man. We're here to have fun. We're here to make some money. We're here to do it right. AMC, throwing a couple green candles on the screen right now, going from 383 to 387. That's a percentage gain, baby. We got Shiba Inu coin at the top right, sitting at 834. GameStop sitting at 1598, about to break back up into the 16s here. Bitcoin 16,817 right now. Not too bad, but about break even on the day. Overall, everything is still sitting basically exactly where it was when we went through the market recap a minute ago, and therefore I don't think that we need to go through another one. We only got some green lines on AMC right there. You will always be the queen, Miss Pega. No doppelganger can take your shine. That is a fact, man. That is a look at Emma D throwing facts. Bro, my YouTube watch time for like the last 7 days is 29 minutes. It's very low, Dark Bro. It's very low, man. Even mine's higher than that. All blue names in the chat with a green one right there. Peter Banfield is a green name. Rozzy is a green name. I like it. We get the mods here, baby. We get the green names here. No gray names in the chat, though. Andrew Turner's a gray name. What's your opinion on Mullen? Andrew, since you're a gray name, I can easily see your chat right now. Opinion on Mullen, dude. I think that Mullen is a decent shorter-term trade right now because it is getting a lot of attention and it's got a lot of volatility. Mullen Auto sitting at 39 cents per share right now, is elevated from where it was, and it is down. It's coming down pretty heavy, about 20% down from where it was earlier this morning, coming down and possibly retesting the intraday level of support there. Overall, okay, this company's got a long way to go before I would trust it for a long-term hold. A lot of people in here, they do like Mullen Auto. A lot of people in here do own Mullen Auto. I do not own any Mullen Auto right now, but I wouldn't have a problem jumping in and trading Mullen Auto. My attention is actually, if we're going to go into the electric vehicle space, my attention is on Tesla right now. I think that Tesla is just being destroyed because people hate Elon Musk. And Tesla bouncing nicely off that $100 mark this morning, back up 10% from where it was at $101, sitting at $112 right now. So Tesla doing pretty good to maintain a nice day today, but nonetheless, if you look at the downtrend, it is still heavily, heavily bearish. So just bouncing off that nice $100 level of support for Tesla. This is where my focus is at right now, though. I think these people are beating this stock price down because they hate Elon Musk. And I don't think I don't think that's good, man. I don't think it's sustainable. I think that they will eventually lose out on that, and value will overtake their hatred towards Elon, or really anybody else for that matter. Watch Bitcoin go on there. I ain't no slacker. Good deal, man. You guys got to click that like button. Have a good day, bro. Heck yeah. Mo G. Enjoy your day. Work hard, but not too hard. Save some lives, man. Save some lives. 3D checkmate. Pounce equals nothing. Hillionaire. 100% agree. What do we got? Richie's playing talk, man. Thank you very much, Richie, for the super chat. Richie says, first time here. I'm a new tuber, and I mean new. All right. But my question is, what is your feeling about a YouTuber also being a validator, referring to Terra Luna Classic? Richie Rich, what's happening, man? Thank you very much for that. Guys, listen to this. Very new YouTuber. Right? You know what to do right now. Show Rich some love. Richie, thank you very much for that super chat. Just to let you know, man, I do appreciate it. You do not. I will definitely answer your questions, though, without a super chat. You don't have to go that direction. We have a very interactive chat here since you are so new. Figured I'd let you know. But you guys know what to do, man. Let Richie feel that love. So, I don't have a problem at all with YouTubers being validators, validators being YouTubers, influencers on Twitter being validators, and anything like that, okay? You could start running into some gray areas if these validators had extensive reach in the community so that they could sway opinions from the community. So, for example, let's just use myself as an example instead of like somebody like Classy Crypto or Crypto King or any of these other guys that make YouTube videos and are also validators. If I had the voting power of all nodes and I also had a major influence either on Twitter or YouTube or both over what the community thinks, I could very easily take control of the Terra Luna Classic blockchain. Or any other chain for that matter that I was a validator on. For example, man, if I could vote with 20% power and I could just simply convince everybody because everybody's wanting somebody to tell them what to think, I could simply say, well, this is a great idea. You know what? The validators, in the end game could be, well, the validators deserve a little bit more access to that community pool. The validators deserve this. The validators deserve that. So that power can be abused. I don't think that Classy or Crypto King or any of these other guys, one, have the voting power right now to really abuse the network. And therefore, I mean, dude, it's all in good spirit to me, right? If they truly believe that they're going to help the Terra Luna Classic blockchain, whether or not I agree with the direction they go, hey, at least their intentions are good, right? But brings us back to things like Logan Paul. I don't know other guys' intentions. I only know my intentions, right? I don't know what you're thinking. I don't know what you're wanting to do. I don't know your goals and all of that stuff. Just the same way I don't know theirs. But I think if they have good intentions, hey, more power to them, man. You've got a validator out there. It kind of puts some skin in the game for you. I don't necessarily like that as much because let me just break it down briefly and then we'll catch up to some of these other super chats. But me, for example, right? If I was a validator and I had a heavy presence in the Terra Luna Classic blockchain in a way that I'm I guess biased to being bullish. I don't think my YouTube videos and the way that I portray them would be unbiased because I would want people to invest. I would want people to put their money in it. I would want the price to go up. So therefore, I may swing everything to a bullish bias. So therefore, if you've got too much invested in it, you can't necessarily be as fair in the way that you present proposals, in the way that you present the price action. It's simply a bullish bias at that point because you need it to go up. So I do think there's pros and cons, man. I do absolutely think there's pros and cons. Rich, thank you for the super chat. Rich says, gotta shoot. You have a great day. One for the road. Oh, yes. Rich, man, thank you very much for the super chat and the authorized hydration. Patrick, man, Patrick, thank you. Richie, have a little bit of a hot dog. You know how to eat a hot dog. You dip the hot dog and you shove that hot dog. You take that banana, you peel it, you lick it, and you stick it. Thank you very much. And you wash it all down with some authorized hydration. Now Rich is part of the gang, man. Rich, you're in it. You're the bro now, man. You are a bro now. Rich, thank you very much. Thanks for the welcome, y'all. Heck yeah, Richie's playing talk. Clayton, how you been doing? Bro Nightmare, been doing great. How you been doing? John James, what's going on, John James? Well, Bones has spoken. I shall attempt to stream. There you go, Emma D. I'm from Finland. Bro Nightmare, I'm from Ohio. Let's see. Thanks for the welcome. Heck yeah. Notos first in the chat. Notos. What's going on, Notos? Glad you're first, man. Where you located? Bro Nightmare, I am in Ohio. Anybody else want to let them know where they're located? Do it. I'm minutes behind because I made coffee and I'm behind on the chat. So sorry if my chats respond with no, it's not time for the live. 775. Just fast forward. Catch yourself back up, dude. I hear you on that, Notos. Heck yeah. How are y'all? Doing great, man. See you, Richo. Richo, enjoy your day. Hopefully your kids are feeling better and looking good. I'm out. Have to go to the bank later, bro. Razi, enjoy the rest of your afternoon, Razi. Miami weather looking good today? I hope it is, Razi, because it's 34 and cloudy here, man. You don't want this Ohio weather. I'll tell you about that right now. Go back in time to watch the video again. 775, good deal. Richie's playing talk, grabbing that green name, becoming a bro. Now, this is where the welcome starts. Look, I don't even say it. We got Dark Bro JB. We've got Dark Bro Pika. Everybody welcoming Richie right now. This is a legit green name, not a gifted green name. We got Richie in the house, baby. 51 thank yous and 51 welcomes. Better be going out to Richie right now. Richie, man, thank you very much for grabbing that green name, becoming a bro, and watch everybody. This is not a drill, by the way, guys. This is not me just asking. Like somebody joined the channel, so please take 2 seconds to just say welcome or just say Richie or whatever in the chat. Welcome, my man, for grabbing that green name, supporting the channel this way, and becoming a bro. Yes, 77 degrees and clear. Oh, my gosh, dude. Sounds perfect, actually, Rozzy. Sounds perfect, man. Richie, you got Discord. You can join the Discord, give you access to the private supporter channel in there. Yes, Richie, if you want to join the Discord, man, let me show you. We got a link right here. The one in the description, I am almost positive, is expired. So if you want to join the Discord, dude, I'm going to throw that link in the chat right now and then pin it to the top. Boom. Boom. Pinned. Perfect. Notos! Welcome back, Notos. Welcome back. Notos, grabbing that little bro again. I love it, Notos, man. Thank you very much. Welcome back, Notos. Everybody, all 50 of you guys, better be saying welcome to Notos. Welcome to Richie. Loving it right now. Richie, Notos, thank you guys very much. Paul, how you doing, bro? I'm about to take a page out of your book. Live stream the storms that have been hitting the West Coast. Do it, Emma D. People love to see some storms. They love to see the weather. They love to see a beautiful personality like Paul, man. I'm telling you, Paul kills it. Paul kills it in his live streams. Fun to watch. And I don't know if you guys saw over in the Discord, man. Frank's over there hanging out with a deer. I would love to see Frank jump down off that telephone pole and ride that deer. Yo, Rich. Oh, yes. Welcome, Richie's Playing Talk. Thank you very much, Old Rounder. Paul, saying welcome. Thank you. Moji, Razi, Notos. I'm back, baby. I like it, Notos. 775. Peter, what's going on, man? Dark Bro, J Bro, and saying welcome to everybody. Lonnie, thanks, Claire, for the tonic tips yesterday. Waited until it hit as close to the resistance line and just bought back almost doubling my tonic position. Thanks, man. Boom, baby. That's what I'm talking about, Lonnie. Let's see where tonic is at this morning. Lonnie, I love it, dude. I love it. I don't know what your tonic position looks like, but you absolutely killed that move right there. You absolutely killed that move. Let's see what tonic looks like. This dude was able to double his tonic position. Let's see. Tonic. I could just click here. Nope, can't click there. Don't know where that's taking me. Tectonic back down to 1390 right now, down 20%. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Came back up. This might be where you got out, right? Came back up, tested that 1700 point per coin level again, and then fell back down a little bit. Hey, you know, it might come back down, right? It might find its way back down here. but you were able to double your position, man. So if you're in it for the long term and you were able to use the same amount of money to basically double your position, you are absolutely looking beautiful right now. And this could be fine. We could find support down in this area again. So just keep that in mind. You do have a little bit of a blip of support right here, just on a week, like on a 1 week graph, that shows a little support in this 1,300 to 1,400 point per coin range, and you might be bouncing all the way back up again. But nonetheless, man, very good move, doubling your tectonic position. And guys, bonk. I did a video on bonk yesterday. Bonk getting bonked very hard today, down 32% right now, bouncing back and forth between 1,400 and 1,700 points per coin. And going from a $165 million market cap yesterday to a $95 million market cap right now. Very, very hard-hitting day for any of the bonkers out there. You, Dark Bro. Simon you in the house, baby. What's going on, Simon? Glad to have you in here, man. Good morning to you. Let's see. Thanks, Paul. I'll give it a go. People pay tons of money to watch storm watch in my town. I can share it for free. How you been? Staying safe out there, I hope. Absolutely. Emma D. No, it does sound interesting. Emma D. People always want to see what other people got going on, and people always want to see some storms. It's just what it is, man. People love weather. Bonk rugged. I'm surprised. Well, we don't know if it rugged just yet. There's a difference in profit taking and rugging, but yes, it got hit 50% today, falling very, very, very hard today. When you 30x gain in your first week of trading, you got to expect some people to be extreme. I'm surprised that they made it to a 30x. I'm surprised that they made it that far, man. I think that it could have rugged much, much before that. But 30x gain, absolutely phenomenal in bonk right there. Couldn't sustain itself? That is okay, man. It's okay. Couldn't sustain itself. Might be bouncing from somewhere from here on out. We'll see. Simon side of Flow Eno. Yes, man. JB already knows what it is. Simoninho. Side of Flow Simoninho. Lit me a red candle when I saw Lonnie. That's what I like to hear, man. That's what I like to hear. Lonnie moving markets, baby. Snipe, boom, good hit. I think, good. Yes, some action in the chat. Oh, yeah, Simon, that's the best way to do it. The tectonic white paper indicates no desire for burns, as the business philosophy seems to center around market cap growth and utility smart contracts over reducing supply. Which is fine, Pat, right? Which is fine. I think that the, and you guys actually, you probably know a little bit more since you're more heavily invested into Tectonic. You might know a little bit more, but I do think that Tectonic can be a great DeFi lending platform and a great DeFi lending space. My main concern about Tectonic isn't burns or anything like that. And to be completely honest, I don't really like it when people burn their own coins anyway. But my main concern about Tectonic is the future of the DeFi space in general. If we get to a point where these idiot senators are like, well, we should ban cryptocurrency, it's just a bad thing, DeFi is probably going to be the first thing that goes, man. And Tectonic being like true DeFi, I think that it could be one of the hardest hit. So it's something you got to watch out for. I don't know if that's the direction we're headed or not, but definitely something you got to watch out for. Woohoo! The whole squad's in here, baby. Oh, yeah. Shiba Inu Ninja. What's going on? Who do you think about Shibarium drop? Shib and Bone bound to take off on a run. So, yeah, Shiba Inu Ninja. When Shibarium does drop, okay, my first thought is that you may see a little bit of a price decline, okay? People buying the rumor and selling the news type of a situation. They love to do that. Even when you get a little listing, you might have a pop up and then an immediate drop off. Just people taking profits and the traders out there taking advantage of the volatility and taking advantage of the news. From there, it is going to be completely dependent on how successful Shibarium is. And if you ask me, I think that people are going to be underwhelmed by the Shibarium release right off the bat. So I think that less users are going to adopt it than a lot of people anticipate. And I think that it may not be as exciting as a lot of people anticipate. And that could cause like an immediate sell-off or a short-term sell-off. Now, as more and more people begin to use it, is more and more people kind of understand the power of it. And if it does become a successful layer 2 blockchain, at that point is when you can see massive growth in Bone. And depending, okay, that's why I say Bone, depending on whether or not they follow through and use it to burn Shiba Inu coin, is when you can see the massive growth in Shiba Inu coin as well. I believe that it is more Bone oriented, and I believe it's going to have a larger impact on Bone than it does Shiba Inu coin. Take it for what it's worth, man. These guys are ecosystem developers. They are not the Shiba Inu coin developers. They cannot influence Shiba Inu coin in any other way than building this environment for Shiba Inu coin. Can never have too much fun. Richie, you're in the perfect spot, man. You are in the perfect place. You can never have too much fun. I like it, Richie. Let's see. Bad. Joe, send it again, man. Sorry, might have missed it. Let's see. MD, put a notification out on YouTube before you go live. I want to watch. There you go, Paul. Pudgy fat finger. Pudgy. No wrench for you, Pudgy. No wrench for you. I don't even know what words I'm allowed to say on YouTube, man. I'm the soup guy from Seinfeld. No wrench for you. Pudgy's not even paying attention right now. Oh, no. Pudgy's ghost blocking. He's ghost blocking, man. Chad break. Anyone here? Something? I'm here. I'm buying Unification Fund just in case. There you go, Tony D. Is Bone going to be the only coin used on Shibarium? Yes. So, Shibarium is, you got to think about it like this, okay? It is a layer 2 blockchain. And the way that you can trade any Ethereum token on the Ethereum blockchain, you will be able to trade any Ethereum token on the Shibarium blockchain as well. It's basically just a blockchain for you to build on and a blockchain for you to trade on. So let's say that Shiba Swap, okay? Shiba Swap is going to be built, so they say. I'm not building it, but so they say. Shiba Swap, that decentralized exchange, is going to be built on Shibarium. In that case, anytime you trade on Shiba Swap, you'll be trading on Shibarium, not the Ethereum blockchain. So if you trade Shiba Inu coin for Bone, Bone for Leash, Leash for Volt Inu, Volt Inu for, just name your token, Bonk, right? Name your token, doesn't matter. Anytime you make a trade at that point on Shibarium, you're going to have lower gas fees. You're not paying Ethereum gas fees. You are paying your gas fee in Bone. So even if you're not touching Bone, right? Let's say you're trading Leash for Volt Inu. You're going to have to use Bone to facilitate the gas fee on that transaction. It should be a very low number because the gas fee is essentially going to be 0, according to what we've been told. And they should, remember Shiba Inu coin wasn't even touched in that transaction. It was Leash for Volt Inu. They should be burning Shiba Inu coin with a portion of that gas fee. That's what we've been told. So that's how it's going to affect Shiba Inu coin. And that's just one of the apps that can be built on the Shibarium network. Beyond that, you can have games being built where, you have to pay in Bone to play the game and all that stuff. And, I don't know. Just get creative with whatever you want to think the use case is for the app that you're using on the Shibarium network. What is the best Indiana Jones movie and why? Dude, I have not seen an Indiana Jones movie in a very long time, man. Very long time. Joe's Crayons. There's movie buffs in here. Going to be a lot better off for you. Clay is a wrench. Not C. What? Clay is a wrench. I got it. I got it, Pat. I got it. Thank you very much. I did get it. Still don't know if I'm allowed to say that, but I got it. Super easy. I'll help you if needed. There you go, Paul. Let's see. Emma, what's your channel? I tried to find it on MD, saw a bunch of different channels pop up. Yeah, Pat, so I guess if you're on mobile, man, you can click on her name or her face or something right now, and then find her channel, I guess. I can't do it through Streamlabs. But somebody was saying that the other day. It's an easy way to do it. When do they release fire hydrant, electric fence, kibble, doghouse NFTs? JB, man. You know what I'm going to say. Soon. Those will all be soon, man. Those will all be soon. Oh, boy. And you know, the funny thing for me is they have such a problem with other people building around Shiba Inu coin when that's all they're doing in the first place. You know, they are not the official Shiba Inu coin developers. They are these ecosystem developers. They've developed Bone and Leash and Treat and Shi and all of these things and Shiboshis. But if somebody else comes in and builds a Shiba Burn token, they act like it's the worst thing ever, and they act like it's some unofficial project. They're an unofficial project. They are. They didn't create Shiba Inu coin. They're an unofficial project as well that's telling you that everybody else is an unofficial project. That's one of the hang-ups I have with the ecosystem developers there. Pat, trying to get them demonetized. No! Can't have it happen. Oh my goodness. Copyright claims all day. Demonetization based on words used. Oh, man. Someone hydrate Pat. Yes, do it. Who's Slayer in here? Green name. What do you mean? JC Slayer? I don't think JC Slayer's got a green name. JC Slayer was in here earlier, but I don't think JC Slayer's got a green name. Let's see. Thanks, Paul. I just unlocked a live function thing. I guess the viewers are limited or something. I don't know, but I'll figure it out. On mobile, right? I don't think that, like, if you're going live on YouTube mobile, yeah, I think you need a certain amount, but I think that you can go live on Streamlabs, right? That's what I don't like about it. Something they act like they are the only ones that can do anything. Yes, Slayer JC. Hey, guys, it's me. Currently trying to get my account straight to become a member. There you go, Slayer. And no worries, dude. Honestly, I really don't worry about anybody having green names or things like that. If you don't want a green name, can't afford a green name, please don't go grab a green name if you don't want one. Pika Power! Reminder for Patrick to take some of that authorized hydration himself. Pika. Thank you very much for the authorized hydration for Pat. I like it. Nice vid last night, Pudgy. Dang it, I didn't see Pudgy's video. Slayers like me with a gray name. 775, you got a green name. So 775 doesn't even know that he's got a green name. Oh boy. 775, you have a green name right now. I gotta run. JB, man, run fast. And if it's cold outside, stay warm. Later to you, JB. Enjoy your afternoon, man. Best to hydrate myself. Getting a little loopy. I like it. Patrick, man, thank you. Oh, yeah. For the authorized hydration, man. Loving it. Everybody hydrate right now. Just do it. Everybody hydrate. Hey, Big JB is going to Miami. No snow for him. Dang it, man. I need to go to Miami. What the heck? Later, JB. Later, JB. What is Streamlabs? I only use my phone. Apparently, I am doing this wrong and need to get on a computer. Oh, Emma D. So it's up to you. Streamlabs. If you're on YouTube, right, you're only going to see this. Like, people are only going to see you if you're using YouTube on your phone, right? And I do only use my phone for the video, like for the videos that I make. I don't use anything on the computer. But if you're live streaming on your phone, it's just this. You can't put graphs and things like that up. I don't know. You can download Streamlabs for your phone, but I really don't know how well that works trying to integrate it into the mobile version of YouTube. That I did not mess around with, and that I did not test. When you use Streamlabs on the computer, you can set up different scenes. So, like, that's a scene. It's just a full graph. Yeah, I've only got like 3 scenes. Full graph with little clay, big clay with little graph. So, I mean, you can set up different scenes like that, and you can do a whole vast array of things in Streamlabs. But you basically just take you're broadcasting your key number or whatever they call it, and then you plug that into your YouTube channel. And when I broadcast out of Streamlabs, it broadcasts the signal over to YouTube and takes it from there. So, Streamlabs is a program you can download on your phone, yes, but I don't know how to use it on the phone. It's probably better to use on the computer. Where we at? You're welcome. Thanks, Pika. Heck yeah. JB's going to be doing some awesome things in Miami. Yeah, bro. To the moon. 21st. JB's going to Miami on the 21st. Sounds like I should go to Miami on the 21st. My gosh. Hanging out with the Wolves, baby. Oh, dude. I'll hang out with the Wolves. I like it. I got to thank Pika for that green name. Was it Pika or was it... I know Kenneth has given away some green names. Glad to win as usual. Good. Good. Pika. Amazing. 775. Pika. Pika. 775. When bro mod thing. I don't even know what's happening right now. All the mods getting together without me. All the bros. That one's me. Nice, Pika. Nice. Well, Pika, I will say thank you as well. Thank you very much, Pika, for 775's green name. Peace out, bro, fam. See you in the PM session. Gorilla Invictus, leaving us 4 minutes early. Gorilla Invictus, thank you very much for being in here. Don't forget to click the like button on your way out if you haven't done so already. And appreciate you. See you in the afternoon section or session for sure. Kiki, see you, bro. TD214. What? I don't even know. Kalani, why are you so late today, Kalani? You don't even know what. Kalani forgot what time the live streams start. But it's okay, you're here. 775, I'll make sure Drew and Larry aren't stealing our money. Good, dude. I don't know who these Drew and Larry guys are. Nobody likes a thief, man. Nobody likes a thief. All right, what do we got going on with Bonk? Bonk's still down 34% on the day right now. Bonk. You know what? I want to know what you guys think. I don't think I'm going to touch Bonk, right? Bonk's already had its heyday. But let's just say that Bonk did come back down 90% from where it's at right now. Came back down to these levels that it started out at. Where it 30x'd from. Anybody out there buying Bonk? Or are you guys just gonna leave that one go? Cause it 30x'd, man. 30x is a decent game. JC! Thank you very much for the super chat. Slayer, man. Checking to see if it works. Boom, baby. It does work. Slayer JC, absolutely appreciate it. It is working, my friend. Thank you very much for that super chat. You awesome, Slayer. Got it, Slayer. I got it too, man. I'm slacking. Thanks for the knowledge. Appreciated. Emma D, absolutely. Emma D, thank you very much for the King Monkey. You guys already know what it is. King Monkey, King Bro, in the chat, baby. Oh, yes. That's a super chat, but not a green name, Slayer. All good, though. It did work, man. So he apparently has connected his card correctly. I'm considering myself missed out on Bonk, but good to know. I need to start keeping an eye out for more Solana-based tokens. TRG. Yeah, dude, my main takeaway, I'm not that upset, right? I'm not upset that I didn't find some new token that was listed and then get in the first day it was listed and then make a 30x lucky gain on it, right? That part doesn't bother me. I actually am a little bit more intrigued by Bonk. I would have been much more intrigued by Bonk if it sustained some of these gains, but it is pulling back pretty heavy right now. The fact that these little useless tokens, brand new, are running 30x to $150, $160, $170 million market caps within the first week of being introduced. That's the kind of stuff that happens in a bull market, man. That's the kind of stuff that happens in a bull market. And that's what's got me a little bit excited, is that people are apparently willing to put some money back into the crypto space. So that's what had me excited about Bonk, dude. And I hope that kind of action continues on. Alright, now that my account is good, how do I get a green name now? So Slayer, it depends if you're on iPhone or if you're on Android. If you're on Android, all you got to do is click that blue join button. If you're on iPhone, you got to go down into the description. You got to copy and paste that link that says like, I don't know what it says. Grab a green name, join the channel, become a bro, grab a green name or whatever it is. And you got to do it actually out on the internet. They don't let you do it within the YouTube app for some reason. But I mean, you could do it during the afternoon live stream if you wanted, because it is already 1 o'clock. We're going to be signing off right here, and yeah, that's just what it is, man. It is 1 o'clock. Guys, get your name in the chat right now. We'll do the shout-outs. Slayer JC, you can either come back in the afternoon stream with the green name, get all of the welcomes there, or you can grab it during the afternoon stream. All the same, man. Get your name in the chat right now, guys. We will do these shout-outs. We will be back this afternoon. Been a lovely Friday so far. Gonna be an even better Friday. Moving on into the weekend. We got shout-outs to Dark Bro, JB, TRG. We got Slayer, man. JB saying peace out of the diamond-handed turkeys, baby. Dark Bro, see ya later, man. Nick F, see ya later. Slayer, Pika, Pat, enjoy your day, man. Kalani, 775. Mr. Simon, Dark Bro, Old Rounder Bro, Kalani, DC 888. Say it together, you guys already know what's coming. Pika powered by to you, Lonnie, man. Enjoy your day. J-Bones, see ya later. Tony, Slayer, Patrick, all of you guys. We might have SD in here. I don't know, 70 Bros in here. Nick F is in here this time. I like it. And you guys, you know what time it is. Mr. Simon, Peter, you want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.